Hello friends, today's question is about how is the repeaters SSB different than that of the freshers. I think I have addressed this in many forums before. Doesn't matter since this question has come, let me clarify this. If you are a candidate who is screened out previously but you have not gone through the entire 5-day process so far, you will be treated as a repeater for the screening process. So normally you will be made to sit with candidates who are repeaters. Okay, and as far as screening is concerned, that repeater means it could be somebody who has gone through 5 days, or it could be only screened out candidates. All of them will be put together and they will conduct your screening as repeater candidates. When it comes to the stage 2 testing, the repeaters are those who have gone through the 5-day process earlier. So if you have not gone through the process of 5 days, you only got screened out and this time you get screened in, you will be treated as fresher. Remember that. But if you have already gone through the 5 days before, obviously you will be treated as a repeater. And as far as possible, the board tries to form a batch of repeaters separately and the batches of freshers separately. But there are possibilities. Let me tell you, there are possibilities if the permutation combination is not fitting in. I'll give you an example. Suppose there are 30 guys who got screened in and there are 12 of them who are repeaters. Now obviously, a GTO's batch cannot take more than 10 candidates. The minimum is 6 and the maximum is 10. So obviously out of these 12 of them will fit into one GTO batch, and the other 2 repeaters may be put with the freshers. So there is a possibility of repeaters coming into the freshers group. One odd cases is possible, but by far the board tries to keep the repeaters together and freshers together. Now, why do we do this is a question. The question is, here the ones who have already gone through the process of 5 days, they have developed some amount of familiarity. That could be, for second attempt, that could be 12th attempt, that could be 24th attempt. That discrimination we cannot do, we don't do. So we put all of them, first time repeater, 24th time repeater, all of them we put together, call them as repeater, because they have all developed familiarity with the system. Whereas a fresher, when he comes in, he finds everything very new and very surprising to him. There are so many things to be done and most of these tests are very unfamiliar tests, right? So just to give a level playing field, this is done. But as far as the assessment is concerned, please understand the assessment remains the same. If you are a repeater, you are a fresher, all I am looking at is those 15 plus 1, 16 OLQs. And whether you have those, you don't have those. From the assessor's point of view, a repeater's batch becomes slightly more difficult to assess. And that's because of the previous familiarity, and the guys who did not make it earlier, they come back with a lot of preparation. Repeaters batches are far more competitive than the fresher batches. So it requires that much more careful attention from our side to decipher whether this candidate is performing based on the learnings he has achieved from the past, or he is just performing based on his familiarity. So it takes that much intense observation from our side, right? But as far as the candidate is concerned, you can expect, a repeaters batch can expect the other candidates to be well prepared, more prepared. So you need to compete, you need to do well, okay, you need to be prepared as much. And that competitive level in the freshers batch is sometimes less, because they're all new to the system, they just come in, so they learn, and somebody naturally very good from his background, he makes it. Others take a lot of learning and bounce back the next time. right? So that is the only difference. Otherwise, the process remains same, the assessment remains same, the activities remain same, everything is same. Okay. I hope I have been able to explain this in detail. Thank you. Jai Hind.